everyone. I've been making a lot of soup lately, and I also made some butter beans. And so to go along with my butter beans and soup, I made this no-knead 10-grain harvest bread. It's super delicious, very hearty, healthy, and very easy to make, which is very important. And I'll show you how to make it.
Wastelands are cruel and mean, ragged old weeds and scrub oak trees. Pass along, little I know, an educated mind of a 13-year-old. Like your catfish blackened, you serve it on a platter. You like the truth, I reckon, you serve it on a platter. My heart was just for breaking, I served it on a platter. The truth is for the taking. The truth is for the taking. Serve it up. Kitchen sink, beef and barley and pinto beans. Left on over from a month ago, that's when my baby walked out the door. You like your catfish blackened, you serve it on a platter. You like the truth, I reckon, you serve it on a platter. My heart was just for breaking, I served it on a platter. The truth is for the taking. The truth is for the taking. Serve it up. Been lonely for a month or more, big old stretch of lonesome road. Been a long time since I saw your face, nobody home to fill my plate. You like your catfish blackened, you serve it on a platter. You like the truth, I reckon, you serve it on a platter. My heart was just for breaking, I served it on a platter. The truth is for the taking. The truth is for the taking. Serve it up.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. And this is James T. We call him JT. We got him on New Year's Day. See you next time, everyone.
The truth is for the taking. The truth is for the taking.